What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best trailer hitch. We've rounded up some of the best trailer hitches you can buy to help you pick the right one for your towing needs. To learn more about towing, use the table of contents to navigate. There are a lot of products available to choose to trailer hitch, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best trailer hitch products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. CURT Trailer Hitch. The CURT 13146 is designed using precise welding of high-quality metal and covered with a black powder layer using liquid bondurite. The black bondurite covering provides users with a stylish and sleek trailer hitch design that also manages to resist corrosion, damage, and rust. The CURT 13146 trailer hitch is able to tow up to 8,000 pounds of GTW. The hitch itself weighs around 50 pounds and measures 213 x 443 x 103. While this is a pretty heavy hitch, it is still surprisingly easy to install with or without a car lift. This hitch bar gives you a simple and sturdy towing option that is made to last. This trailer hitch is rated for 6,000 pounds gross trailer weight, 900 pounds tongue weight, 8,000 pounds weight distribution capacity, and 900 pounds weight distribution tongue weight, limited to lowest rated towing component. Positive side of this product: high quality, durable, strong, easy to install. Negative side of this product: heavy, expensive. Number 2. Reese Towpower Starter Kit. A well-known brand when it comes to trailer and towing accessories, Reese Towpower has a wide lineup of hitches. This recommendation is a Class 3 starter kit, which includes a ball mount, hitch ball, pin, and clip. Designed for unparalleled strength, the company fights rust and corrosion with a technology called Metal Shield. It's essentially a coating that provides years of protection from the elements. These chrome hitch balls are constructed from solid steel and have been engineered to meet all safety requirements. Measuring 8 inches long, this kit will fit 2-inch hitch box openings, and the ball itself has a 2-inch diameter. The included pin and clip are 5/8 inch, and there's a 2-inch drop and 3/4 inch rise on this kit. It's rated at a maximum 6,000 pounds capacity. Positive side of this product: extremely reputable brand, includes ball mount, hitch ball, pin, and clip, metal shield coating, 6,000 pounds capacity. Negative side of this product: can be a bit loose in the sleeve. Number 3. Towever Trailer Hitch. The Towever 84180 tri-ball mount is a leader in the towing industry in terms of compatibility, being able to fit all Class 3 IV 2-inch hitch receivers, such as those by CURT, Drawtight, Blue Ox, Hidden Hitch, and other well-known companies and brands. The ball mount excels in terms of design as well, making use of 3 connected chrome trailer hitch balls, as well as a strong and durable tow hook. The Towever 84180 model can handle up to 10,000 pounds of gross trailer weight. This multi-purpose ball mount is made to provide quick and easy exchanges between ball sizes, without having to install or buy a completely different ball mount. Our tri-ball tow hitch fit Class 3 IV 2 inches hitch receivers, including CURT, Rolla, Yakima, Inno, Drawtight, Blue Ox, Hidden Hitch, Thill, Tulga, U-Haul, and other brands. 3 attached chrome trailer hitch balls size 1 to 7/8 inches, 2 inches and 2 to 5/16 inches, and 1 durable tow hook for towing strap. Positive side of this product: affordable, popular, compatible, lightweight, versatile. Negative side of this product: hitch lock comes separately. Number 4. WaySafe Trailer Hitch. The 180 degrees LTP 6 2.5 trailer hitch by WaySafe is a popular pick. The ball mount is designed to be adjustable, with one above and the other below. The 2-inch ball has a gross trailer weight capacity of up to 8,000 pounds. Along with a tongue weight of 2,200 pounds, the hitch is definitely built for heavy loads. The rust-resistant aluminum build means the hitch will not be damaged by corrosion, rust, or scratches. The ball mount itself is designed using high-quality stainless steel for the ultimate construction. The hitch not only exceeds V4J 684 certifications for quality assurance, but also comes with the WaySafe customer service team that can help with any issues and replacements you may need to deal with. Stainless steel turnover ball. 6 adjustable trailer hitch with stainless steel toe balls. Positive side of this product: adjustable, large weight capacity, knob to prevent bottom ball damage, damage resistant. Negative side of this product: expensive, not suited for small cars. Number 5. CURT Cushion Hitch. The first brand that comes to mind when discussing trailer hitches is typically CURT, and for good reason. In fact, CURT products are seen more than once on this very list. But the rocker ball cushion hitch is a little different in a good way. What sets the rocker ball cushion hitch apart is its ability to make for a more comfortable and confident towing experience. CURT achieved this by integrating a cushion isolator into the trailer bowl, which reacts to the road conditions to help reduce vibration or sudden jerking on the trailer. CURT calls this as shock drop technology. The result is a quieter, less jarring drive for the driver and passengers. Beyond the added comfort, the CURT rocker bowl cushion hitch also gives the driver more control, particularly when braking suddenly. And since there are no airbags or bearings in the rocker bowl, you don't have to worry about the costly or time-consuming maintenance that is required on some other cushion hitch bowl mounts. A simple grease circ fitting lets you lubricate quickly and easily. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.